नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को आका का प्यार। How is up, Lifenturers? It's me, Aaka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aaka's Lifenture. Thank you for the amount of likes you have given me in the video I have requested. Although I had requested for 50 likes, but I have received 32 likes, the highest till now. The link of the video is coming up, so if you have not liked the video, please go and just like the video and fulfill my request of 50 likes. Secondly, Happy New Year to you all once again. Hope this year becomes rocking and starts with a bang. Today I am going out to a place where I can meet the wildlife. The place is known as Bengal Safari. It's in Siliguri. Today we'll become one with the nature. Let's go. We are outside the residence from we are going to get the modes of transportation, photos and all. And along me is with me my mama. Mama, say hi.
Hi.
He looks old, but he's more younger than me in heart. So guys, I'll show you the clips of the road in between and meet you at the destination. Lifenturers, we are at Dazingmo. Still a lot of tracks to cover. Let's go. Let's keep on moving. Well, we have reached the destination, Bengal Safari. And the main entrance gate is out there. So from here we'll get inside. We have to get the tickets and all. Still walking, guys. I think it's out there, ticket counter. And look at the amount of cars. So this is the third gate now. We have reached the third gate and got the tickets, guys. Here is the tickets. Our time is out to start. We'll go. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Okay. You guys started to move now. I don't know if there are any guides or not. Our first encounter with wildlife. I think it's spotted deer. I think these are tamed. Domestic. I think we are moving up. I think it's spotted there. Entering into the dangerous part of the wildlife, tigers and all. And you can see at this side there's a bear pin, and so they'll close the gate behind us on there. Guys, it's going again, man. So let's ask my mama how he's liking the place. How do you like the place, man?
Okay.
Little bit louder.
It's be developing a lot more. What else is like Safari of the forest in Rajasthan. So somewhat like it, but this is more
So guys,
area.
I think we are now in the tiger pen, and my mama is telling he's liking the place like Gir Forest. I think guys, this is the grand finale of our ride. So you can see out here. Wow man, beautiful. Oh, guys, look at this guys. Please don't move the vehicle. A white tiger, guys. Fortunate enough to see the white tiger.
কি ভালো লাগতেছে
Oh, beautiful.
এই ওর সামনে যদি একটা ঘাড়ে হাত দিয়ে সেলফি নেওয়া যেত ইস একটা সেলফি দিতে তাই না বলো ওর ঘাড়ে একটা হাত দিয়ে ও বাবা
কি করে যাব
হ্যালো
হ্যালো দোস্ত তোমার
Guys,
ও ভাই
Yes. Beta, yes.
beautiful white tiger.
চলো একদম সামনে এটা একটা হ্যান্ডশেক
Wish there was some way to hear its noise also. And he sat down, man. From where we had started. The bus ride's over, guys. Now we are going to take a look at the crocodiles and all. They were telling they are crocodiles and all, so we are going to watch that. That side he is filling. Let's see, we can see. What? Now we are fun.
Yes.
It was okay.
This is a small miniature type of sanctuary.
Yeah.
All the animals are in the enclosed.
Next time we'll come with family.
Yes, sure.
The view out here, guys. Beautiful. Into the forest nature. We'll go out there. Look, the crocodiles are basking in the sun. Just two, guys, two. Let's get closer. And guys, look out there, man. I was thinking those are just stones. It's tortoise, man. crocodile. हजुर So guys, this one I think it's an alligator, and you can see the tortoise out here, and both are together. There are few more out there. I don't think those are alligators. The snout, no, they are also the same. But the one which is out here have different snouts. I'll show you from here. You can see at the snout. And you can see the civet out there, guys. It's inside its cage. Hey, meow. Wake up, wake up. It's just sleeping out there, guys. Can you spot the cat, guys, out here? It's very hard, but I'll show you the cat, guys. So there you can see the cat inside the tree trunk. Let's go out there and we'll see the name of this cat, guys. And from here now we'll return back. And the train is moving, guys. Train is moving out there. The toy train is moving. Who gets to get the ride, I don't know. Name of the cat is out here, fishing cat.
But there aren't any fishes around.
The name of the bird is chicken. Hello guys, just kidding, guys. So the guy's name of the bird is silver peasant. Yeah.
Known as Kalij in Nepali. Niche, Kalij.
I think our look, guys, behind me is the white peacock. So let's take a closer look. And there are lots of parrots also. I think these are parrots. I think guys, now we are going to go home and the time is around 2:30. We have not taken our lunch also, so we'll take our lunch. And you can see the crowd out here guys, so much crowd, everybody is chilling, kids are playing out there. We are having lunch. So mine is chicken biryani and Mama is having kattal thali. So after lunch, I'm gonna meet you up. Thank you all. Don't forget to like my video, the previous video which I've said to give me 50 likes. Please do it. I know you all can do it. 50 likes. And don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video also if you appreciate my efforts. And please comment on the video how you like the scenes and all. I hope you have enjoyed. I have reached my home. I reached around like 4:30 and all. Likewise, just now it's evening time. So I've reached my home. I hope you have liked the video. And those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that our family members increases and I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.